Hey, no hands, long.
I'm about to try to vlog while holding the camera and biking down this hill, so hopefully it'll work. It's not too steep of a hill, so. Yeah, absolutely no one cares. Everybody could do it. He's acting like riding down a hill with no hands is like impressive, but I guess it's cool to a 9-year-old. He can't even do it. He can't even do it. Oh shit, my camera. My finger, sorry. He barely even did it. He could barely even do it. What the hell? Alright, I'm vlogging and I'm about to ride the bike down the hill while vlogging, so. Alright. Although the car coming right now. Let me let the cars pass. Alright, I'm about to go. Hey, suckers! I might. Then I say fuck off. I might.
Stay back, stay back, stay back.
Why? Alright, that's happening. Alright, I'm just gonna vlog down this hill now, I guess. There's like bumps down this hill, so it might be cool footage, but to be honest, I have no clue. I threw the car right there, but I'm about to go down this hill while doing this. She's going in, so I'm just gonna stop recording, then still record. Oh, I guess she's not. Alright, so I'm going down. Is she? I don't care at this point. And this was not as cool as I expected, but hey. I'm about to go see what they're doing. That sounded like it was bad. Alright, I'm about to ride back up there. I think I might have done something to my tire because I went down a pit hole or something. Highway's right there, but yeah. I'm about to see what these guys are up to. I don't know what they're doing right now. They're in some random dude garage. Alright, so I just got done talking to someone, and yo, Cole, shut your fat ass up, bro. My God.
Did he just say a little more extra than it was? He said it.
Oh, I know.
He said it. Yeah,
No, just something happened. I'm talking about vlogs. Like, something happened, like, a couple days ago and shit, sorry. Shout out to this car, bro. Ghost car. Facts, he's like, that's some ghost shit. Where even is JJ at? Alright. This might wrap up the vlog. I might do like another minute of footage. But, yeah, I don't know. What? Yeah, I'm just trying to do a bike, I can't even talk. I'm trying to do a bike vlog. So, yeah, I'm just, just biking around a little bit. A little brother right there. It's supposed to be everybody here. I'm just gonna end. I might just end the vlog, yo. Alright. Peace.